In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how we can display HTML entities in React.js. So first of all, we have defined the div and then included the necessary libraries over here. Then in our React.js file over here, what we are trying to do is the usual copyright symbol we are trying to display inside a div element. And we are assigning that element over here inside the render method of React, and then it's displayed inside the div container. So if I run this in browser, it will look something like with a copyright symbol. So you can see that the copyright symbol is coming up over here and then the name of the website. Now if I try to do the same inside a property, it's not going to work. So let's see why it's not going to work. So we have created one component in React.js, and that component is having a property called copy. Over here we have defined the copy with this value $copy with semicolon, and we are making use of that property over here. Now when we run this one, the output that will come is going to be like this. So it's not rendering the copyright symbol, and the reason why it's doing that is because any dynamic content with HTML entity is double-scaped by React.js, and for that reason you are seeing this $copy semicolon value. And the reason why it does that is to prevent XSS attacks. So in order to resolve this, what we need to do is over here in our code sample, either we can get the copyright symbol and put it over here directly. So something of this sort we can put over here directly and save the file. Then if I run this one, you'll see the value coming up. The other way is, if you know the character code of that symbol, we can simply make use of that. And over here we are making use of the from char code function, which is taking this char code as an input, and then it will return back the symbol that it represents. So if I now run this one, you'll see the copyright symbol coming up over here. And there's one more way. If you know the Unicode value of the copyright symbol or any other HTML entity that you want to put in React.js, you need to save your file as UTF-8 encoding, and then that value will be appearing properly in your HTML page. So these were the slight gotchas, you can say, that React.js has, and this was just a way of resolving those gotchas, or a workaround basically to resolve such issues.